Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Mahi, and my topic is Unity in Diversity, Strength of India. India is a land of vast diversity. We have multiple language, religions, culture, and traditions. Despite our difference, people live together, celebrate festivals with love and harmony. Unity in diversity teach us understanding and tolerance. It allows us to do work together, solve problems, overcome challenges, and build a strong nation. Our diversity is not a weakness, it is our strength. We must respect each culture, language, traditions, and celebrate what makes India unique. Unity is the backbone of India. Thank you. Have a nice day.